go, canoe?
I don't know, Batgirl. Let's see if I can build the canoe. That was not a good joke, Dad. I am your father.
What?
So the question is, can you fit two 4x8 sheets of plywood inside a 2015 Subaru Forester? Yes, you can. The answer from the Peanut Gallery, whether or not we should.
No.
Yes.
Never.
It's like driving a chop top with no mirrors.
Yes. I am Princess One.
Princess One.
Yes.
We used the paper cutouts that these paper cutouts that I created. Drew it out and cut it with a combination of a handsaw and a circular saw, and then glued these butt blocks together with contact cement. I don't know how straight my beam is. Is that the right term? I don't know, I'm not nautical. Anyways.
Which part are you using?
From the tip to the tip.
From the truck to the truck.
From the stern to the bow, I guess. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this tape and we're going to make like a hinge.
What's a hinge?
Right where the split block is. A hinge almost. It's like where the door pivots. Okay. So, how do we do this? I've never made a boat before. Oh, well that didn't work.
This is gonna be fun! But also annoying. Because that happens.
Does that happen? Yeah. Explain what happened?
Well, Dad picked it up. It didn't work because it fell apart and the glue wasn't dry.
So let's go ahead and...
That's a hooray. And this one.
Yep.
And basically now you can already see it.
So let's go ahead and...
Let's hope that one is dry. No, not one bit.
It's not. It doesn't have to do with that.
Yeah. We need some stronger glue, which is going to be boring because we're just going to be walking on.
What do I get? That's what I used last time. It didn't work. Should I use Gorilla Glue? All right, now that that's all, got a quick like tack coat of glue, and just let that dry up for a little bit until it like loses its gloss, and then I'll glue it back together and throw some weights on it. All right, so this is where the both pieces are at right now. I glued them down with the butt block. I did use some screws. I had to clamp it and bend it to try to, what I figure gives the most amount of contact across the whole thing. So that's where that's at. Yeah, it's still drying. It's supposed to set for 24 hours. I don't know. We'll give it a few more, see what happens. What you up to there, razor blade? What we did waiting for the glue to dry. We went to an antique store. The box looks real nice, I think. I think that's nice. Here's how to repair them, what they look like on the inside. And it's kind of stuff. Cadillac 1.8 1936 Dodge 6D2 serial numbers, so this should be the serial numbers of the car, and those are original engine numbers. Ready? 100, 150. I'm kind of planning on these first layers to just be absorbed. But then that would pull the grains out and you'd have to resand it. So I finished polishing up the wood. Go ahead and take that off. Moment of truth. Let's see if it falls apart.
Please tell me it doesn't. If it does, I will punch this board, and and hopefully I will break it.
Tune in next time and see if the glue stuck on the canoe.
What?
Can you tell we practiced our lines? Tune in next time and see if Princess 2 shows up.
Shut up, girlfriend.
Oh, Ray, don't hit the microphone. Oh.